Next up we have forward force. Alrighty, let's check it for black light. Oh, it's okay. It looks more intense on camera there than it does in real life. So for now, I will hold off on that guy. Let's see here. This one is not all that spectacular under black light. This one is Rig Storm. Looks like it's all plastic. If it is, then I'll go on to a different one. That's all plastic. How about this guy? FYB42, or is it 2018 Mattel? Could be a made in Indonesia. It's at least a Hot Wheels. There is nothing else written on it, but it has some kind of a skull looking dude on it. Anyway. That's a good, I'd say about 2 millimeters or so. Basically, when the metal stops flying, that's when I stop drilling. Otherwise, it's just gonna collect in there and melt. Alright, there we go. Below the surface level of the plastic there. So now we'll switch over to the 5/32 bit, and we will drill this one out. Alright, this one shouldn't take that much, just maybe 10 seconds if that. It's a clean removal. It's not below the level yet. Alright, another set of big wheels there. We have the something with the skull though. We have the windshield right there. And then the die cast piece right here. So here are those rivets. Very clean. So the pilot hole, at least on the front one here, is perfect. One to the back, however, it's like too deep. Like just barely below the surface would have been sufficient, but oh well, whatever. Metal base, alright. There's the windshield, and that thing there.